Today for the Bitcoin price. In the previous video, I was covering this dump and I was actually talking about the possibility of Bitcoin getting the bounce exactly here at the imaginary CME gap and also at our support level. And look at this, we exactly got the bounce over here and Bitcoin is breaking out towards the upside. And the question right now everyone is asking is this the beginning here of this massive pump towards the upside to our specific price target? I am going to be revealing to you in this video. But guys, here's the deal. I will also show you two more price targets I am keeping an eye on right now. And many people are asking me on Instagram, on Telegram, Chris, what did you do with your Bybit trade? What did you do with your Femex trade? Are you still in your trade? Or did you actually, FOMO, a FUD out here, out of your trade? Well, I will show you everything. I will show you my trades, everything transparently. And I can tell you something, this might catch you by surprise. You want to watch this video until the very end. And with that being said, guys, make sure you get ready. You sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Just as Bitcoin is hopefully going to a new all-time high as soon as possible. Smash up the like button right now. Make it blue if you want to Bitcoin to pump. Press subscribe, press the bell. And this is important, guys. Press here on all after pressing the bell. Press it right now. Thank you so much for your support. And you will be making sure that you get all our videos, even the second updates of today, time sensitively pushed towards you when you need them. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris. And as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, we made it. Our bullish scenario from the video I uploaded basically 2-3 hours ago came into fruition. And I told you we have to be careful. I have to put out a warning, but we have to be very careful here, because this level here is not only a filling of the CME gap, at least on the spot exchanges, also it's in perfect alignment with the previous resistance, which is now turning into support I was mentioning throughout the last few videos. And I was actually in the video 2-3 hours ago exactly talking about this bounce here and the possibility of us getting the bounce exactly at this level towards the upside. And before I continue here and I show you my price targets, my trades on Bybit, Femex, what I did with them, if I'm still in or not, I will show you everything transparently, and also my price target here, which might surprise you. Before I'm doing that, I want to show you, just in case you didn't watch the video, the small few seconds excerpt of the video I uploaded 2-3 hours ago. Look at this. Is this just a filling here of a CME gap and also a potential bounce of our resistance, and Bitcoin is going higher? And you know I am everything but a gap believer, but this is what I want to show you. With this dump, we just had a flash crash, so to speak. You see the gap would have been closed at 11,200. On the CME chart, the price didn't go so low, but we had on multiple occasions in the past that a CME gap was closed on the spot exchanges, on some spot exchanges, but not on the CME. And this seems to be the case right here. Let's see what actually happens. But I want to tell you, this gap would have been closed actually if this one would be mirroring the perfect price action we are seeing, for example, on Bitstamp. Remember 11,200. Going back to Bitstamp and now going over to the hourly candles, you can see that this dump actually went below the 11,200 level. So technically the gap is filled. Technically, the gap here is filled. So for every gap believer, this is amazing news. If we are actually getting a bounce here, according to our TA, well, this is fine. We are still in the trade. And as you can see, we got the bounce exactly here. And what the funny thing is about this is if you go to the CME chart, you cannot see Bitcoin filling the gap. But here on the spot exchanges, it actually filled the gap. And this is what I was mentioning before. We had that on multiple occasions before, that a gap was actually filled on spot, but you cannot see it on the CME, and then the price is reverting to the upside. So right now we can see here this being identified as a fake out. And as I mentioned, I was planning, or I was considering to take some profits here from this trade. So well, in the moment I wanted to do it, because I saw this high volume, in the moment I already saw that this bounce is solidifying. So I waited, I didn't take any profits. And this is also the reason why I'm doing this very urgent video. So let me continue with that. First of all, I want to show you this here. Right now we are seeing an amazing breakout volume. This volume candle is actually going above the breakout volume we had here, above the breakout volume we had over here, and above the breakout volume we had over here. So obviously this is a volume supported pump. And in case we would be going down, well, don't freak out. We could still get a bounce here and confirm the breakout. That would be completely fine. If you are still in the trade, we actually opened as an MMCrypto community here, this breakout trade, and you are still in profits, and you are in profits actually, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. That would be amazing. I want to show you also my price target because nothing has actually changed, but I want to add something, and this might catch you by surprise. So my first price target I was mentioning since days or weeks, even ever since we broke out here, I was talking about the 11,760 US dollar level. Some people were laughing at me when I was saying, well, it is here in perfect alignment with the VPVR, and I'm expecting the Bitcoin price from this moment. I said it approximately here, even down below the W breakout. I was saying that I am expecting a massive breakout towards the upside, and people were laughing. I mean, right now they are not really laughing anymore since we are so close, and we had a few very successful profit-taking areas along the lines as well. And now this price target is very, very close, and the question is obviously, can we go higher? Of course we can, guys. That's why I'm saying to you, for the bearish scenario, you should take profits along the lines, but also taking only profits and leaving something in. This means inherently that you want to stay in the trade for the possibility of Bitcoin going higher and being prepared for the situation of it reverting and then still being in profit. So obviously I will not take everything from the table over here. I will always leave a little bit in there because we have other very important support areas, resistance areas to come. I will be heavily monitoring the 12,000 US dollar level, and then obviously the 12,500 one. And I think after this, I will be out of this short-term trade for sure. I still have my long-term trade, and I will be searching for new entry positions because I do expect, with all the bullishness, guys, I do expect Bitcoin to revert at one point of time. What I was saying, I think it was on Telegram or so, what I was saying is then whenever Bitcoin breaks out and we are going on these parabolic rises towards the upside, then we are stepping up with bull flags or whatever, 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and usually we see 4 to 5 steps. Only very seldomly we only see 3 steps, 3 pumps. So for example, just to give you an example, if I'm going back here into the pump from July, we had 1 pump, 2 pumps, 3 pumps, 4, 5. In number 5 even, then we had a heavy rejection, and yeah, we even had a 6th one here, if you want to count this one as well, before the Bitcoin price was just completely punishing everyone and going sideways for like ever. So I think it is a low likelihood, at least, that this one here was the last one. I do expect Bitcoin, and I could be wrong here, that's why we are taking profits along the lines, that Bitcoin could go higher and actually also get our next price target at 11,700 US dollars. But you can let me know what you think about that. And I got many questions right now on Telegram. By the way, our free Telegram group is in the link in the description down below. You can join it. We are like 20,000 people, like-minded people. You can ask me questions. Just join it. It's completely for free. It will forever be for free. And join this family. It's 20,000 people. People are asking me there, Chris, are you still in your trade? What did you do? Are you out of your Bybit trade because Bitcoin went down here? Well, guys, you know me. I am not a guy who is freaking out because Bitcoin just dumps a little bit. And this is why I want to show you here my Bybit trade right now. This is the update. You can see it right there. I entered at 10,750 the first time. Then I put in a little bit more. Now my average price is 10,850. I'm right now approximately 21,000 US dollars, 120% in a profit. Congratulations for everyone who took this trade together with me or a similar trade. Congratulations for everyone, to the whole MMCrypto family. This is why we are doing it. We are doing it for these nice gains. And yes, that's why I really like to try it on Bybit. It is just a very convenient experience. They had no F-ups in the past. If you want to use it as well, you know, on our channel, you get the highest bonus on YouTube. Here in the pinned comment, you can see it in the very first line of the pinned comment. If you scroll down to the comment section, it's the first comment, it's the first line. And you have to click this specific link. If you click it, you put in your email address and your password, and with this MMCrypto code here, you can get $300 plus $90 from the rewards hub. And this is limited for October. It's limited for the MMCrypto community, and for everyone who is using this specific link, you get $390 for free. And then you can also open trades on Bybit on free margin. For example, for $390 on 20x leverage is a nearly 8,000 US dollar trade for free. And this is the good news about it. If you're opening a free margin trade, you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. Obviously, here's my trade on Phemex. I want to show it to you as well. Right now, racking in 47,000 US dollars in profit. 9,400 US dollars is my entry price. And yeah, this is it so far here. Approximately 70,000 US dollars, a little bit less in both trades. And I am planning to ride this a little bit more towards the upside. But guys, remember, we want to stay level-headed. We want to be prepared for this big rejection to come. And I love to say this in bullish videos. I love to say this when the price is actually breaking out. It is always nice to be cautious when the price is breaking out and to get greedy when the price is breaking down. If you appreciated that, guys, so scroll down, smash up the like button, press subscribe, press the bell, and also here, press on all. This is important, guys. Everyone watching, please press the bell button and on all, because then you get these updates, these second updates of the day, also time sensitively pushed towards your smartphone, your computer, or whatever, so you can see it immediately. I was just posting here basically 5 minutes ago. Bitcoin is right now pumping, punishing all the bears. 150 likes in 8-9 minutes. Thank you so much for that. At MMCrypto on Twitter. Thanks for following us over there. And obviously, I want to share this with you. You can see here that the Dow Jones just right now, I think they just opened positively with a small pump, and probably the Bitcoin price is also pumping in regards to that. So let's not be all too happy and pop all the champagne bottles if actually Bitcoin is pumping out because here the equity market's pumping up. This is not the reason why I want to see Bitcoin pumping, but well, I'm gonna take it. Thank you, Federal Reserve. Thank you, European Central Bank. Thank you, People's Bank of China. You are making our day. You are making our gains. What else to say? Don't bet against the Fed, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye-bye.